Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. It's Boxycharm Premium time. Okay, if you don't know what Boxycharm Premium is, it's a monthly subscription, $35. You get 6 to 7 products, but it's usually 6 and they're all full size. They're all beauty, skincare, all that extra, no lifestyle. That is Boxy Lux, okay? That is Boxy Lux, and this month we have Fizzy Heart. We freaking have Fizzy Heart. Yes, we have Fizzy Heart. So I already know what I chose. You get to choose one item every single month, and I already know what I chose about January. I think premium was Fenty or Laura Mercier. Even though I like Laura Mercier stuff, and the Fenty one was a little bit matte for me. I kind of wanted to try it in a different color, so I chose Fenty. So that's a sneak peek for January. But let's open this baby right up. Oh, premium. Wow, that was like one product I see and I don't like this box. Okay, let me put it straight for you. I wanted the Fizzy Art palette. I got the Fizzy Art palette because that's what I chose. It was between two. I like both of them, but I chose the one that I could use in my kit more, so I chose that one. Boom. The next thing, I wanted the LMS plumping facial. Boom. All right. As I see about something, I did not get that. But I also did not want to get the palette, and I wanted to get the liquid eyeshadow. That was like the two choices between the face palette, because I'm dark skinned. They didn't have a dark version. Even though that highlighter does look a little tempting, that little corner highlighter with the little thing that looks like the Jeffree Star Peppermint palette highlighter, but no. The theme for Boxycharm this month is a Boxycharm Bubble and Glitz, and I got variation 104. 104 variation. So let's just start with the product that's going to be on my Macari. This is the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask, Anti-Wrinkle Multi-Purpose Use Eye Mask for fine lines, tired looking. Yeah, no, this has collagen in it, right? Yep, Pro Collagen. Wow. I can't give this to my mother because she has very sensitive eyes, and collagen in her does not work. And I would not use this because I have so much eye creams, eye masks, that I do not want to try this. I wanted the plumping one, the one that looked like lavender, like a lavender color, like it looked like pretty purple. Like this is a no. I'm putting this on my Macari. That's just a bad start to the box, and that's $82. I mean, LMS is a good brand, don't get me wrong. I love their cleanser and their cleansing balm. 2 products I love from LMS. I also love a toner. 3 products I love from LMS. But this right here is not it for me. The next thing is the Fizzy Art palette. This is a professional makeup Paris. This is one of their first palettes. Like, they have their big palettes. This is like one of the first like 12 pan palettes. This was the first one. Then they have another one, Malibu. That's the second one. This one I got was the first one, right? Yep. Neutral matte. Just a regular one. And if you look inside, there's a code. There's a code, promo code like a charm 20. It's valid through, is that right? January, February, March. Yep, March 31st, 2001. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, and it's heavy. It's like heavy but light. It's just so beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. I will use you wisely. And that retails for $80. I don't even need to look at it because I actually wanted that palette in my, what is it, Beautylish Lucky Bag. I don't even think I'm gonna get a Beautylish Lucky Bag this year. Fizzy Art, $80. Yep. Like this is something that everybody got. The Elizabeth Mott. Wow, I can't speak. The Elizabeth Mott is so big volumizing mascara. I heard that this is a good mascara. I also heard that it's okay mascara. It's gonna go in my Macari. I have so many mascaras. These two, plus if you saw my Ipsy video, which you probably did because it went up on Sunday, that lotion will also be in that bundle. basically is a whole bundle of stuff that is going to be on sale on Mercari, so go check that out. That mascara was 20 bucks. 20 bucks, wow. That's a cheap mascara. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I got 2 out of the 3. I did not get the palette, which is great because I'm dark skinned. I got the 10-second eyeshadow from Kosas in Copper Halo. The only thing I tried from I said it right the first time. Quesos, whatever. The only thing I tried from them was the foundation, the oil foundation, and looking at this, it kind of is the same. If you could see how it's separated in all that oil. I don't know if I got a good one or if I got an older one. Like, I don't know what this is. So I'm just gonna see what that is. Oh, it smells like paint. It smells like paint, but it was pretty, but it smells like, yeah, it smells like paint. By the way, I did my nails green for the holiday. I'm not in really the Christmas spirit because of COVID and everything and me not seeing my family that much. But I did do green from Paint Box. Paint Box. It's a nail polish, a nail duo that I got. It's a lighter green that goes with it too. I'm gonna see how this dries, and I'm gonna test it out. If you don't know, I do makeup reviews too, besides unboxings. So go check out my channel some more. Explore. Subscribe if you want to, if you're new. Okay, next thing. Oh, by the way, that's $28 for a single eyeshadow. For a liquid single eyeshadow. That smells like paint. And it still smells like paint on my hands. Okay, this box is going downhill real fast. Oh, I got the cuticle oil. It was between this Fenty Beauty lipstick or eye mask. Well, not eye mask. It's like a face and eye mask. This is cuticle oil. Oh, and it smells like peppermint. I like that. And it's like in a rolly ball. And I could definitely use cuticle oil right now. I mean, I just did my nails and it could probably mess up my nails color, but I don't care because I haven't had cuticle oil in a minute and this feels like really good. Like really good. I'm down for this. I'm down with the crew. She's loving the crew. This, okay. It's not fully dry. It's moving a little bit, but it didn't move that much. It just gave like a little sheen. So it doesn't completely dry. Just give like a nice glow. This could be a nice highlight if it didn't smell like paint. The cuticle oil was $22 and this right here, Crown Brushes, is $34.95. This is the All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set. I heard about Crown Brushes. People said they're really nice. People said they're not expensive, but basically $35 for a set. I think that's expensive. This is what the brush set looks like. You have like a little lower lash brush, you have a blender brush, you have a fluffy packer brush, you have a pencil brush, and you have another fluffy packer brush that you could blend out the edges with. And then it has like this at the end, which is cute for style. These are cute. Not like 34. Well, technically some brushes are like $10 for eyeshadow brushes or $5 for eyeshadow brushes. It goes between 5 to 10. Some companies even 12. So basically counting the brushes and everything, majority of the brushes are like 7, 6, 7 because 7 times 5 is 35 and it's like close to 35. So it's around that. So I could see it for a brush set. I could see it. It's like basically you're buying them individually. I could see it. So yeah, that's it for my Boxycharm unboxing. So the total is supposed to be over $175. Wait, yeah, 100. Where's that? The base box? Base box is 125. It's supposed to be over close to 200. It's supposed to be over 200, and the total is $266.95. Wow, wowzer. But everything I'm keeping: the Viseart palette, the crown brushes, the cuticle oil, and the Kosas eyeshadow is $164.95. So it's under $175 because of those two products that I will not use. I mean, I have too many mascaras and I don't want to try that mascara. It's different if I wanted to try that mascara and this product, which you don't want. So this right here, this and this, and a mystery eyeshadow palette will be on Mercari. Go check it out. Link is down below. Check it out, baby. Ooh. Okay, bye. Head right here, video right here, and video right here. Go check them out if you want to. If you want to, I ain't pressing you. It's if you want to. It's if you want to. Oh, and by the way, I believe Christmas is next day, tomorrow, and then no, Christmas Eve is tomorrow. So I'm filming this on a Saturday, not on this Wednesday. So Merry Christmas Eve. You know, happy early Christmas Eve. Oh well, Friday is Christmas. I am definitely gonna do a special video for Christmas. Cool. Maybe do another vlog because I might be shopping after Christmas. We don't know. Okay, bye.